To achieve a minimalist and spacious bedroom that is easy to clean and declutter, many homeowners choose to forego a traditional closet. However, clothing and accessories are essential to modern life. Fortunately, we've evolved various innovative storage solutions that go beyond relying solely on closets for organizing and concealing fashion items. In this video, I will present 10 creative storage ideas for bedrooms without closets that can help you organize your space, whether it's large or small, rented or owned. If you find these ideas helpful, consider subscribing for more inspiration and tips. Number 10. Consider a clothes pipe rack. An open clothes rack is an excellent storage solution that not only fits perfectly in compact rooms, but also simplifies your daily outfit choices. With everything visibly displayed, you can quickly glance at your options and decide what to wear. You can either build one yourself or purchase a pre-made rack from a store. Buying a ready-made option is convenient if you're short on time, although it may come at a higher cost. On the other hand, creating your own clothes rack can save you money and provide a rewarding sense of accomplishment. You can craft a clothes rack from various materials such as wood, pipes, or wrought iron, depending on your style and preferences. Just make sure you have the necessary tools and get creative. Number 9. Use a tree branch. This might be the simplest storage solution for your bedroom. All you need is a single branch and some rope or chains to suspend it from the ceiling. For a playful touch, consider spray painting the branch in colors that complement your room. The natural shape of the branch allows you to choose one that best fits your aesthetic. This idea is perfect for small spaces and helps keep your room dust-free by eliminating the clutter often found on closet surfaces. Number 8. Opt for a loft bed. If maximizing space is a priority, consider installing a loft bed. This design not only creates extra room, but also becomes a stylish focal point in your bedroom. Be sure to select a height that allows you to easily enter and exit without bumping your head. As illustrated, the area beneath the bed can serve as a cozy seating space, while the stairs can double as functional drawers for added storage. Additionally, select a day bed or seating bed that features hidden compartments or drawers, perfect for neatly storing socks, scarves, or even cowboy hats. 7. Hang your shoes. While traditional shoe racks typically come in square or rectangular shapes designed to hold numerous pairs of shoes, you can think outside the box for a unique approach. Crown molding, for example, can be repurposed into an attractive shoe rack that's especially suited for high heels. If that doesn't appeal to you, consider using a ladder or wire mesh for a different aesthetic. PVC pipes also offer a creative storage option. Simply cut them into sections, glue them together, and mount them on your wall. This DIY shoe rack is perfect for sneakers and allows you to stack them creatively. For an artistic flair, spray them in various colors to form a beautiful pattern on your wall. 6. Ottoman Storage Bed. A traditional bed often takes up a significant amount of space, which can pose challenges when trying to incorporate additional seating like chairs or ottomans into your bedroom. The Ottoman Storage Bed idea alleviates this concern. This clever design allows you to keep your ottomans conveniently stored under the bed, maximizing your room's functionality without the need to move furniture to other locations. With its spacious design, the bed accommodates both sleeping and storage needs seamlessly. Number 5. DIY Trellis Clothes Rack. Creating a trellis clothes rack is a straightforward project that requires minimal steps and can be completed quickly. This stylish option serves as an excellent alternative to a traditional clothes rack or even as a substitute for a closet. Its slim and lightweight design makes it easy to move around your home as needed. To get started, you'll need some stripped wood, wood glue, a pencil, a jigsaw, and a measuring tape. Cut the stripped wood to your desired dimensions and glue the joints of the beams together using wood glue. Allow the glue to dry fully, then reinforce your new clothes rack with stainless steel corner brace joints for added stability. Number 4, top your headboard. A headboard can serve not just as a decorative element, but also as a functional storage solution for your bedroom. While some people may choose to prioritize its aesthetic appeal, a headboard with integrated storage is readily available in stores. If you're looking for a wider headboard with more substantial storage capacity, consider building one yourself. Before you dive into this project, it's helpful to sketch out a design that aligns with your room's decor and meets your storage needs. Think about how you plan to utilize the space, whether it's for books, decorative items, or even extra bedding. Additionally, consider the dimensions of your bed to ensure the headboard complements the overall look. Once you have a clear vision, gather the necessary materials and tools to bring your design to life. Taking the time to plan and prepare will not only streamline your building process, but also help you create a headboard that perfectly fits your style and functional requirements. With a detailed plan in place, you're ready to transform your bedroom into a more organized and aesthetically pleasing space. Number 3, install floating shelves. Floating shelves have become a popular choice among DIY enthusiasts. They're excellent for filling empty wall space while adding a touch of interest to your decor. These shelves are straightforward to install and easy to clean, and they can accommodate various items, including shoes, bags, baskets, and other accessories. With open shelving, there's no need for doors or windows, making it simple to declutter and maintain a tidy appearance. Number 2, declutter and sort. Clothes are a daily necessity, which often leads to a pileup of garments at the end of the day. This accumulation can take up valuable space in your closet and become a tiring routine to manage. To streamline this process, consider separating the clothes you wear regularly from those you only wear occasionally. Place less frequently used items in different storage solutions. Doing so will free up room in your closet, making it easier to find and access the outfits you wear daily. Before we wrap up our countdown, remember that every like, share, and comment helps us reach a wider audience. If you've watched this far, you know what to do. If the new voice kept you tuned in, give the video some hype to help it reach new heights. But if that feels like too much, just know you've done great by spending your valuable time here. With that, let's close our countdown with... Number 1, stay organized with transparent plastic or mesh storage. Finding items in a drawer or closet can often be a hassle, especially when you can't remember where you placed them. To avoid this predicament, use transparent storage boxes or mesh bags as shown in the image. If you have many items, labeling each container can further simplify organization. When you're in a hurry, you can easily grab what you need and return it just as quickly. That wraps up our list. I hope you found these 10 storage ideas for bedrooms without closets helpful. These innovative solutions are sure to tackle your bedroom storage challenges. If you're looking for more inspiration, feel free to check out other videos on this channel. Enjoy! Oh, and by the way, at the SimFoam channel, you'll discover a range of lists that you won't find anywhere else. For example, we offer insights like 10 small bedroom ideas with Beak beds, 10 interior design tips to improve your sleep quality, and 10 creative DIY projects to revamp your shoe storage, among many others. Each list is compiled through extensive research and careful writing, with relevant sources included to enhance your learning experience. So, what are you waiting for? If you have some free time and internet access, follow the link in the description to fully explore what SimFoam has to offer. That's it for now. Before you go, please like this video if you enjoyed it. Feel free to comment or share it with your friends on social media or via email. Lastly, we look forward to seeing you again soon with more videos like this. Until then, thanks for watching.